saddest day of my life. What do you have to say for yourself, Lincoln?
What is my happiest day?
No. We told Lincoln that when we get back from Florida, you can cut your hair. Because in Florida, what were you feeling like with your hair?
Surfing boy.
Oh, so you were enjoying it in Florida?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
But I was also kind of getting mad because it would get in my eyes, and if I would wear goggles, the hair, it would seep in and it would get in there.
Yeah.
It was kind of rough.
So you love the look of it, but convenience-wise, he's feeling frustrated because it's always in his face, it's always in his eyes.
When I wake up in the morning, this much is in my eye, and it like sucks.
Yeah, so he said, Mom, I think it's finally time to cut my hair. Because I told him, you know what, let's wait till after Florida. We'll cut it in when we get home. And then when we got home, you kind of changed your mind. And he's like, no, I don't. I want to keep it long. So we decided to keep it long. Then he changed his mind. He said, okay, I'm ready to cut it. And I said, now listen, that's a big cut, and we don't want to cut it and then you have some regrets. So the last couple of haircuts, he's like, I'm ready for a haircut. So we're doing it. I have to do a little walkthrough to show the very last. Look how blonde and beautiful that hair is. Oh, Link, it's so beautiful. I love your hair. And guess what? I feel like I just learned how to cut it. I finally learned how to cut it long without it looking like a girl. Look how handsome. And I don't want to cut it, but I will. Ready?
Yeah.
Well, if we're taking your hair from the long locks down to something short, what kind of short hair do you want? What do you want your haircut to look like?
Boston's.
You want it to look like Boston's? Of all the haircuts in the world, you want it to look like Boston's?
Yep.
Okay. One Boston haircut coming right up.
Boston special.
Boston special?
Yep.
Oh, Link, I have like a pit in my stomach. I'm really sad right now, actually. Okay, go ahead and look forward. Oh, you're smiling, that's a good thing.
Yeah. I'm glad to cut it short. What?
Turn to the side. Okay, haircut's done. One Boston special.
If this wasn't there, that would actually kind of look good.
Turn to the side.
I did not know my hair was gonna look like that, like just the bowl cut. I didn't even know she got on this side. I had long hair, it was like an excuse, like I could just skip haircuts. It was like a skip button just right in front of me when haircuts. I forgot that I had to do like motions like chin down, chin up, or like turn to the side, tilt your head, or those. I just forgot I had to do those because when I had long hair and I would get haircuts, I would just stay still and they would just cut it. And we only went to barbers like once or twice.
Not very often.
Yeah, we went to barbers like when it was like Mom's day off. Yeah, so like on Sunday when we were getting ready for church and I'm combing my hair, I usually slick it back. But like tomorrow, when I'm gonna try to slick it back, I don't have any hair to do that with. It would just muscle memory. I'll regain muscle memory from doing short hair, but I'll lose the muscle memory of long hair.
Styling long hair.
Geez, when I had a buzz cut, I didn't have to do any of those. I just had to.
Hope I didn't cut this too short on top.
Probably not.
It's not.
Hey, handsome. Where's those new saw blades?
Huh?
Remember the saw blades we bought yesterday?
I think they're still in your truck.
You know?
Well, you're looking sharp. That was a good segue to saw blades. I didn't need to do it that way. It just worked out. I can't pass up a pun.
What about this?
Pocket thread.
I thought you like cut it, it was stuck, so I like grabbed it and I was like, oh.
Still attached.
Oh no.
Let's go rinse you in the sink. How old were you when we went to Hawaii?
3?
I've been using this hair product since we went to Hawaii. Hold that for me.
I think I was 2. Yeah.
You were, I think, 18 months. And I'm still using, to this day, the same hair product. I have never found anything that I like better. Should have dried your hair a little bit more. Shoot.
Just making your hands kind of white.
Well, it's just watering the product down, which is like fine, but it's easier to style and the hair's not so wet. Now, I can't remember what way we like to part your hair.
That way. At the start, you were sad. Are you kind of happy right now?
I think that you look really nice. Probably always miss your hair a little bit, but I think you look really nice.
So we're done.
Almost.
We're still cutting it.
Okay, we are finished with, there's a huge bee that keeps coming in and out. We are finished with Lincoln's haircut, and before I take Lincoln's cape off and we're officially finished, I just have to say that if anyone leaves a comment that says, oh, he looks so much better, just know that in my brain, I'm flipping you off. And I'm saying you can go find yourself someone else to casually insult. And if you say it to me in person, that means you know me in real life. And so you know the things that I'm actually thinking about you, and my face is going like this. Yeah, You know that I'm flipping you off in my mind. So don't say stupid things to me like that, okay?
You're so handsome. Your ears are white. We gotta go tan them.
The sun hasn't seen
Be
his
careful.
ears,
Yeah,
his
we gotta spray him.
forehead.
He's good.
So Lincoln, yes, you are susceptible to being sunburned.
Pretty good sunburn.
Yeah.
We'll spray it down before you go out.
Can I see my hair?
Yes! He hasn't even seen it.
Boys, let's go.
What do you think?
I look good. I like it.
You look so handsome. Look at that. My hands are shaking. Hold on. What do you think? Turn your head side to side. Well, so you can see. Look side to side. Now look at the other side. What do you think?
I can't really see this side. Oh.
Yeah, baby. Okay, you look so handsome.
I could finally play with the little sides.
There you go.
Boys, what do you think?
Oh, whoa.
You look so sharp.
He looks like, at first I was like, he looks younger.
Looks like a little stocky Cody.
Looks really different. I gotta get used to it again.
Yeah.
I used to it, he looks way younger.
He looks a lot like Cody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I don't think he looks younger. I think he looks older. Just like barely, not really.
Looks a little more like me.
A little bit. Lincoln, come stand by Cody. Look at you two together.
Yeah.
Your face.
Yeah,
Oh!
Yeah. Oh,
Now
yeah.
I can finally
I
see that we
defense.
look like each other.
Yeah.
With long hair, I couldn't really like see it that
You
much.
guys all look in the mirror so I can see you, or in the thing. Look at all of you. You're so handsome. Okay, you guys get going. Boys are going over to the lake.
Should I put the key in the bank?
Should I put the key in the bag? I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Oh, and anything you need for an at-home haircut, I'll put in the description, because you can do it at home. Not a biggie. You can do it.
Bye.
Along with my cutie overalls, because they're new, and I'm just in love with them. Okay, we love you. Bye.
Bye.
Holy Toledo, look at the hair. It's a lot of hair, Link. It's a lot of hair.
Now it's a lot less hair right here.
Yes, honestly, I love it. I was worried that I wasn't gonna love it. I love it. You look so cute.
Where's a wig? I need a wig now just
Keep your head warm.